So this morning now, me have enough self then at airport. Say me I go buy water. As in, me see the buckle and the buckle look nice, you know. So me there me I say, oh, the water must taste sweet, you know. You know what you guys have for this? $6. 6 CI dollars. That's like $8 something US for this. See that? 1 liter. As I put the headset down. I only hope and pray to God say, look more find this when the water are well settled in. You see what name? Smart water. Make it look a bit more smarter. And that was spring water, you know? And that was spring water. Purified water. $6 CI. I buckle myself. Must have friggin' buckle about guess I'm not dash with this, you know. I'm not throwing this away. Yo, it look like everywhere. Like island wide or worldwide, if you say. The sun just are going bad. Cause yo, I just step outside and right now I have a headache. Blood fire. The place hot differently, boy. Hot. And one thing about the countryside now, you see the road them, I don't know what the government are going to do, but the road them really need to fix. Yo, when you drive on the road, you come like a work. Come like a walk to backside because you can't just relax on and lean back and take your time cruising. No, you have to look out for pothole and you have to look out for this hole and that hole. And them a pothole, you know. Boy, I have to pat them because pothole can't so deep. Yo, I don't know, like, I always say, I go start do what I look vlogging and be more consistent with it. But I don't have the energy. I don't have the energy at all. Really and truly, I got through a rough time right now. I don't think I got open up about certain things right now. Yeah man, but it's a rough time. And for the past couple months, like, I don't know at all, like, I just live just because. It's not easy at all, boy, but if you know, you know. You understand? If you know, you know. We're just there Sunday morning. Today I now feel like me I go but rainfall yesterday. There's a hope and pray the river now come down and high. Cause a long time I no go river. Last time I came here, I tried to go river and it never worked out. So it's either I'm going to go river today or beach, something. Just rise up as I can say. Just rise up, wash face and do the right thing. Nah lie boy, Jamaica nice. Jamaica nice, but the roads, the road and the cost of living gone sky high. The road bad, cost of living. As you spend 1,000, like, I don't think nothing cheaper than 1,000. Cost of living in Jamaica gone way up. Some price, I see people myself some things for like, me have to really kick back. And meds say, yo, like, really? But we have something for reason about it, you know. You get something for it and then we have a reason. Breakfast, you know? Yeah man, bread and plantain, you don't know where you go. You don't know why 2023 some half is a hot boy. Time hot man, really, really hot. Don't know the country life. Nah lie, best life. It was just a quick trip, I mean, quick weekend trip, 3 days. Just throw that because make you dog, you know, and you don't want it. Watch him. Hmm? Yo, brother. Huh? Right, another yard man, everything start. Don't know. Who want pee?
Because I think everyone pee.
So how you talk about you want pee? You want pee too? Eh? When you say pee on the yard before you come around. You realize that dance over here? How shall we go?
Me pee
Eh?
and me home.
Yeah, me say me never come over and
Down, straight.
So when you exit you go at the top?
I did it.
Don't know.
Sorry. Mommy.
You realize that how you go?
Good, that's everything. Go now. Unless you share take it out.
So I'm to you over there, so you look a cool girl.
Go on, I talk to her, me never know say. But when me look up good now, me see you.
Cool. I have 4 brownies just now. Watch it now, you see? Yo, this thing a rough boy. So I'm not going to water, you know. As in, wet up the clothes. But we still want to go on because the water looks so friggin' nice. But yo, it's boom, boom, boom. Fuck, wait. Boom, boom. Phone all wet up. It's me, my John. Ay. Look how I'm wet up, sir. I'm over here, John. Bombard. Oh, over here's a shallow, man. Over here's a shallow. Yo. I'm a refill, look up. Hold on, good enough. Jump up. Put your foot around me. Lap your foot around me. Lap your foot in. Don't drop off it. You have to hold on good. Because if you drop, you might die. And we know why you're dead. Hold on. Jump up. Jump up. Aye. Hold on. Yeah.
Ronnie, they are eating the color about 10 times. Ronnie, look at how wicked. Ronnie, look at how wicked.
What I only trash me. Killer Vani, boy, Killer Vani. You're not too expensive here, you're poor, remember? Yeah. See that? The one and only. Yeah. If you look at the camera, how would I? Vani, where are you, Vani? Yo, that airport are big as shit. I hope they're playing an lesson today now. Alright, so as you can see, reach home and there, just eat some food and I go and relax. Me take a look on nap still. But yo, the landing, terrible. I've been going on airplanes for like 30 years now and that was the worst landing ever. When the pilot them drop the plane, me feel like say, yo, I don't even know what to say. Like everybody on the plane scream out, but me just did it go and hold it because me no panic so easy, see me? It feel like the plane wheel them blow out or something. Rotted. Me know say enough people on a flight they traumatized. Yeah man, so I don't know. And then when him go turn the plane now and come back to come park on my park, the man make a sudden stop again. Yeah man, them pilot yeah, boy. I don't know what to say about him. Feel like a some like a training business. Normally, me not dey on a flight for so long. And the weather they good. You understand? The weather was really good. So from that, I kind of sense something, say, yo, something are going on. And then now, you know Jamaican people say, you see as the plane stop, everybody up. Me as a man, I love window seat. See? I love window seat. So when I was checking in, there weren't any window seats. So I take one of the aisle seat. You have this couple where they're next to me. The man in the middle, the woman there at the window. Rotted. The flight as the man stop the plane, the people then jump up out of the seat, remember, them in a corner, so it's not like them can get up and stand up straight and go and wait for us. The man get up and expect me, like, remember, the plane door not even open yet. And then people want me if you come out go stand up. So me just move my foot and let him go. The man lick up my foot. The man tap on my toe. Slippers me have on to, and tap on my toe. The fucking man not even say, yo, sorry. I want old boy to, yo, the people in disgusting, brother. And then me did sit down now. Like your wife, I expect me if you get up. Nobody now moving. So what me I do? Crowd up all this for. Then now, door open, 1 and 2 people start walk. Hear the wife to me now. Me must let her through or get up because me I gonna make everybody down my back come and pass, gone in front of them. I told us what I tell about it. And me take my own little time, get up and me I let you one woman and say go on in front. So that was supposed to hurt her more than how she did it a boil. And I want to tell you say, me not have to ask Christ or nobody. Me reach my yard before them because them barely can move. Yeah man, so me don't know why people always in a rush. Like, I don't know. I always look on it like the plane, everybody have to come off of the plane and everybody have to get out of the airport. You get me I say? It's not like say, all if you last come out, you still have to come out. No need to rush. When I rush I go. And I know none go to work. I know that. So like, anyways, they back yourself all alone again. And that trip there, I don't know how to feel. Certain things are going where if you know, you know. And I don't know what me really want to talk about at this present moment. But if you know, you know. You see me? Anyways, you see me can't get a look on nap because I'm really tired. Went to bed late last night, woke up early. Had to drive, you know, driving in Jamaica is like Mario Kart. If you can't swing, you know, like when England say you should have to swing. If you can't swing on and do all of them something there, skip and then something there, you can't drive at Jamaica. So yeah, driving to the airport was it was really tiring because some hole out there, if you're dropping at them, all the spare tire in a trunk a punch up. So I get a look at rest and see if I can get that video. Well, I have a video before this. I'm going to try edit it and then I do this. But I feel like I'm going to spend some time and get them out because I have them sit down for too long. Bless up on yourself.